Hello all, welcome to my channel.
Hey guys, good morning. So now we are ready for our day 2 trip. We're gonna explore a very beautiful tea estates and Kalasha hanging bridge and everything. We have already checked out our place, our homestay, and I'm gonna show you all the beautiful places here. Here we have all the original products. This is tea, and I also bought here. Tea estates are famous, and here this is a very good quality of tea powder which we can get. Here we have natural products for hair as well. I recommend you to try it out, all these natural products.
Now we have started a journey for Kalasha Hanging Bridge. So on the way we have very beautiful village vibes and all the nature, guys. And this is the route which we have to walk at least for 2 to 3 km to this Kalasha Hanging Bridge. This bridge has been constructed by the local people to connect to the other side of the villages, and this was situated in the middle of Bhadra river. While we are walking in the middle of this bridge, both sides will have this Bhadra river. It feels really thrilling, guys. Now we have arrived Sunset Tea Estates. These are all tea plants where the leaves are extracted into tea powder and used in our daily lives. And really the product which I bought was very organic. This is the place which belongs to Purnachandra Tejashwi Garu. Come, let's explore this. This place is also called as Insect Museum, and here we can see all of his hard work. He had stored lots of insects which are called as forest health indicators. We can also find ancient and historical items which people used before, and it would be really very good to gain knowledge on all the ancient things, especially for kids as well. This world is really good, guys. I really felt that as if I was living in ancient days. All the utensils where old people or ancient people have used, and the pans and different kind of aesthetic items, everything is there here. We can find huge collection of ancient items, example like helmets or protection helmets where soldiers used in war. And I feel this is really a true hard work where Tejaswi Garu has done this. We can see all the coins, even we can find 2000 rupee coin also, and Ashoka Chakra. These are all the collection of him. Different kind of typing machines where previous people had used in different stages of time. Even I was not knowing this kind of typing machines even people used earlier. And he also has a great collection of cars here. Lot of retro cars are there. How cutely he has stored and arranged in a museum. It feels really good. Here comes a cute sculpture of a horse which is belonged to previous king. These are some ancient bicycles where people used to carry milk. Here we can see a huge collection of insects. These are also called as forest health indicators because beetles and many kind of insects rapidly react to the changes in environment in a very proactive way. So based on that, farmers used to indicate the health of environment or forest health or climatic changes and all. So we can see huge collection of moths which we can generally find in our daily lives as well. And here I could see most of the insects which I never saw in my life also. So these are huge collections of grasshoppers, and these are shorthorn grasshoppers. So we can see a huge moths here. This was the first time which I'm seeing, guys. For the first time I'm able to discover that even moths are feeling dangerous by seeing in these pictures. Here all the insects are stored in a chloroform. We can see a beehive here, and where this honey is useful, and the products where honey is used and extracted, and lot of honeybee creatures, various kind of honeybee creatures. Everything is clearly presented and stored, guys. The hard work is really appreciable. I feel very blessed to be in this place. Here comes various kinds of beetle which we generally see in our daily lives. The most wondering part is here we have a dinosaur mammal also. We can clearly observe here it was stored in a chloroform. I felt really thrilled to see this. See the architecture and the design of this insects, guys. Whoever people visiting his museum will have a clear understanding on what he is trying to convey to the society and about the collection and the diversity of the insects which he has stored. I felt really inspirational seeing this true hard work of Tejaswi Garu. Finally, our trip came to an end, guys. Here, while returning home in the same bus, we are just chilling with some songs. I'm chilling with my best friend, as I have already introduced her before. So it feels really sad when the trip ends, right? If you feel the same, just drop a comment in the comment section as S. So I feel truly grateful for all of you who has watched this vlog, and please do like, share, and subscribe my channel, guys. Bye, guys. Have a nice day.